So how to remove battery on Sony A7 IV? Removing your battery on Sony A7 IV is a fairly simple task. The first thing we're going to have to make sure is that our camera is turned off. So you want to make sure it's not turned on just to avoid any sort of corruption. Now you want to look for the battery slot on your camera on Sony A7 IV, the specific model I'm talking about. You can see at the back like this. So to remove this particular battery, we just have to, you can see this little lock. You have to just unlock that. So you can see, just unlock it like this, that's going to open up. You can see this blue lock again. Just swipe the blue lock and your battery will pop out just like this. Now if you want, you can swap this battery back in again right here. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. If you want, you can go ahead and then also basically swap the batteries. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.